What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's episode I'm going to give you an update on exactly how much money my followers on Pocket Option have been able to make in the month of May without having to place a single trade. Make sure you guys stay till the end of this video, and I'm going to show you how you could be making a passive income every single day using this platform. Before we go any further, it's very important that I let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and please remember, trading is risky and you can lose all your capital. Therefore, please never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. With that being said, if you guys do get value from today's video, please go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and any comments or questions, good, bad, or otherwise, please leave them below this video and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. If you guys want to stay connected with me, I have a free Telegram community. The link is in the description below this video. We discuss all things trading. And I also have an Instagram. You guys can connect with me there. And again, my @ is in the description of this video. So guys, let's go straight into it. If you have never used the social trading feature on Pocket Option, then this is an opportunity for users to be able to make a hands-free income. But it's very important that you understand exactly how the social trading feature works, what the pros and the cons are. And if you don't understand social trading and this is your first time hearing about it, you guys can head to my YouTube channel and you can click the video that discusses social trading. I'm gonna make it appear on the screen right now. So guys, let's dive straight into it. These are my statistics for the month of May. As you guys can see, there are currently 47 people following me. That means 47 users are receiving the exact same trades that I am taking. Now, on top of that, there's 25 people watching. That means that Pocket Option keeps them up to date with my results while they are deciding whether they want to follow me or not. Now, as you guys can see, I've highlighted the date of the 1st of May through to the 22nd of May. Okay, I've taken 52 trades, 52% of them have been profitable. The trading profit for the users is $319. Okay, the maximum trade that I have placed is $134. The minimum trade that I've placed is $19, and the maximum profit is $123. So in the month of May, 47 people who are following me have made $320 completely passive. Now, I want to break this down a little bit more so that you guys can exactly understand how you can follow me effectively, or any other trader on Pocket Option for that matter. Now, first thing you guys want to decide is how much proportion you want to copy the trader. Now, my max trade was $134. That's a bit more than I would like, okay? But according to my strategy and the way in which I trade, it was a good trade to enter, and I did end up becoming profitable. But ideally for my community, I'd like to stick to a maximum trade of around $50 to $60 so that everyone is comfortable. Now, what you guys can do is take that information and decide in which proportion you want to copy me. So if you would have been copying me at 100%, that means that every single trade that I took, you'll receive exactly the same trade. So you would have made $319 passive income in the first 3 weeks of May. Now, if you decide to follow me at 10%, okay, then you would have made $31.9. Okay, so that's 10%, of course, of 319. Now, what that also means is that if I place a trade of $100, you receive $10 in the same trade. Okay, so I put a trade for $100, it automatically gets copied to your account at $10, okay? Now, you can also use something called a stop balance. So let's say, for example, that you have $500 in your account. If you say stop balance $250, that means that your account cannot go below $250, okay? Now, this is where you have to be extremely careful, because what you don't want to happen is for you to end up missing the bigger trade that ended up winning. Okay, and that's why you need to study the statistics of all the traders that you're thinking about following in detail, because I might not be the suitable trader for you. Someone else might not be the suitable trader for you. Okay, my trading style is quite boring, to be honest. I like to keep it very, very low, very, very steady. I was very reluctant at first to do social trading because honestly, I don't play when it comes to other people's money. And I want to be extremely careful, okay? Because, you know, your money is important and I don't want to do anything reckless. I don't want to do anything crazy. You know, on my own pocket option account for my personal use, I might do $1,000 trades, $2,000 trades. This account here that I use solely for social trading, I'm very, very careful. Okay, I've got very strict rules. Now, you can also say minimum and maximum copy trade amount. So for example, if you put maximum copy trade amount of 50, then as you can see, it says providers trades more than $50 will not be copied. And again, you got to be careful because let's say that I did a $50 trade that lost and then a $100 trade that won, you're only going to get the trade that ended up losing. Okay, so very, very important that you understand the copy settings. Okay, so my advice, you know, if your account balance is, let's say $500 or less, maybe copy at 50%. Okay, and you can put a stop balance that you're comfortable with. So again, guys, let's just revisit the statistics so they make sense. Let's choose custom range for the month of May. So as you guys can see as a refresher, 52 trades this month, 52% were profitable. I'd like it to be closer to 70. You know, there were a couple of days that weren't that great, but overall $319 of profit, maximum trade $134, minimum trade $19. And it's a great month. Okay. $320 hands-free, passive income. Who can say no to that? Okay, so 47 followers have enjoyed that money this month. So collectively, you know, that's nearly $15,000 that my followers have been able to make. And I'm really proud of that, really excited for them. So if you're watching this video and you guys are looking for a passive income on Pocket Option, just send me a message on Telegram saying social trading. You guys can find my Telegram in the description section below this video. If you guys got value today, go ahead, like and subscribe the channel. Click the notification bell so you guys are notified of any future videos that I do release. And again, let me know comments, questions, good, bad, or otherwise. I love to hear what it is that you guys have to say, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.